Give me. Give me now your own. Chief. Hey. Chief, good morning.
Chief, good morning.
Point of correction.
Yes, Chief.
If you want to address me, you address me with my full titled name. My full name is Chief Odumodu. Ihe mere Igbo ajọka. Akụ nwata ezuru oke.
Onye Somoko.
Elias Efulefu mara onwe ya, one of the whole Igbo land. This is me. So if you want to address me, you go with my titles.
Chief, no bad na. No problem na. Chief Odumodu. Ihe mere Igbo ajọka. Akụ
nwata ezuru oke. Obonyesiwa ọkụ.
Akụ nwata ezuru oke, obonyesiwa ọkụ. Elias Efu. Chief.
You sure that your father born you well?
You just go say,
Yes.
Hey, am I here? Chief Odumodu.
Yes.
Hi. Ihe mere Igbo ajọka. Akụ nwata
ezuru oke.
Ọbọnyesiwa Kemala. Efulefu. N'ala Igbo.
Efulefu mara onwe ya.
Iche.
No. Why are you doing that? That is not our system of greeting. You don't need to bow down. No. Sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Sit down. I just say, make I come thank you. You know, for all you have been doing for me. Especially that day that this my friend carry me come for the way you saved me that day. So I'm so much happy. Just let me come and thank you. Let me come and say thank you for saving me that day.
Point of correction. So you mean that you came to thank me with all those useless drink? Let me tell you for information. We did not shield or protect you because of what you did. By the way, what is the cause why you don't have any respect and regard to your friend by going into his house to use his sister?
Chief, I was playing Uzo with her, you know now, and she begin to these two things where they hear, she begin to bring them closer to me, and before I know what is happening, she carry the thing, come these two things. Why are you laughing now? This thing, especially this thing, begin to. Why are you laughing now? Flash it out. She just carried the thing, come here. Wait. You won't tell me. Tell me, So,
So you have like a man I go away now and I say by Nigerian one in a
I say shut up.
See, I'm not coming again. So you know why touch anyhow, they know about touch why.
It's normal for you to go, just go like that, they do those things. Today I will teach you how this thing they go. You see this in between your two legs? I will cut it off.
Ah, Chief!
You too. Don't allow him to come out here. Let me bring knife, we will cut it off.
You never
My drink. Give me my drink now.
Mommy.
Give me my drink.